Okay, this is the end of the month, April 2019. Not much to report on here. I still have not paid this month's power bill, so I have to catch it up this week sometime, maybe get a little overtime. We did not work Friday, Good Friday, but I did work 8.5 hours on Saturday and 7 hours, about 20 minutes on Easter Sunday. So I did get something. Check was still pitiful. And then just 2 days on this upcoming check is going to be pitiful as well, which leaves me about $8 in the account until my next check, wherever it is, on the 9th. But all the bills are paid except for the power bill, and I will pay that before it's due. Hopefully not on a credit card, though. This is how it worked out. So everything's down a little bit, except for Spark Card. Got stuff put on it, and it's a little higher now than it was before. And I'm only down $334.56 for the month. I am happy that this dropped below 8,000 something, though. I would have been glad, although it will in May. I would have been nice for this to have dropped down to 34,000 something. And the house will be dropping down to less than 27. It'll be 26,900, something like that next month. So, but I am going to, I mentioned in another video, I'm going to pay off CitiCard with the money that I got for selling PlexiSign Pro 6.6, I think it was. I'm going to pay this card off and put this card as my primary pay source for PayPal. That way, if they do a return or open a case, item not as described or something like that, anytime within the next 6 months, I'm still saving the massive amount of interest that you pay on these cards. I'm saving at least 6 months worth of interest by paying that card off and not keeping the money in the PayPal account. So same deal, just shuffling the money around a little more. Hopefully that's explained well enough, maybe. The thing is, I can't use this card for anything else because they may still do that. So I'll need to at least have $415 $414 something, $415 available on it for at least the next 6 months. Then I might cancel or something, I don't know. But I think that was it for April. I've already mentioned my house payment went up, have I not? It's now $412.36. I think this one was an anomaly or something. But they're toying with the escrow, the taxes and insurance. That stuff changes over the years. So it makes the house payment slightly different because this is principal, interest, taxes, and insurance. And I think that's pretty much it. Oh, I've been asked to work tomorrow and probably Thursday. So I might actually have like 6-7 days in a row here of 12-hour shifts. That'd be 84 hours. I don't know if that would go on one check or not. and I got my bill from eBay. They're charging me $40.21 for my final value fees. It's supposed to come out sometime between the 15th and the 17th. I need to list more stuff on eBay as well. I have very little. I got like 11 items listed. But leave me any questions, comments in the comment section. Give the video a thumbs up or thumbs down if you want to, or both. Don't forget to subscribe. And I will see you in the next video. Okay, this is the end of month April 2020. Crap.